Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make questions in Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and once you do open it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into our Google account. If you do not already have an account, what we can do is go ahead and create a new one. So once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page where we can get started creating a new form. We can take a look at all the forms we have already created right here on the recent forms and so on. And now let's go ahead and take a look at how we can add questions to your forms. Basically, it's very easy. First things first, you want to go ahead and create a new form. If you do not already have one, click this plus button right here, or you can choose a template. And once you open it up, it's going to look like this. It's going to be an untitled form that you can go ahead and manage, add the name, add the description, and so on. And basically now we can get started with adding questions to our forms. So I'm going to open up this form right here. As you can see, I have a tutorial form already created, like I already have question, but if I want to add even more questions, it's very easy. So all I have to do is just click this plus button right here in the upper at the right corner. In the right side of the page, we have the plus button that's going to enable us to add a question. So by clicking on this, it's going to enable us to add as many questions as we want. We can name it, we can give us answers that we can choose from, and so on. And basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.